Hey guys, it's Nina here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing this dewy summer tan makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this look, keep watching. So I've already put a very moisturizing cream. Now I'm gonna put my base, and this one is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Yeah. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty in color 300. I'm usually 235, but I want to look a little bit tan, so I'm using 300. I want this to be dewy and glowy, and this has a little bit of a matte finish. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this Marc Jacobs Dewdrops with the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm gonna mix the two together. So I could use the hydrating foundation, but I don't have the right color at the moment. I saw this look on Pinterest and I thought, hey, that's a good summer makeup look. So let's try and recreate that. Get my beauty blender and just pat the foundation in just to blend it some more. So there you go. It has a little bit of glow in there because of the dewdrops, which I love. I love this dewdrops. One of my favorite liquid highlighter is this one by Marc Jacobs. Let me put a concealer. So I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. So I like this because it really hides your imperfection. But I'm not gonna put like so much, just to hide my dark circles. And that's it, because the foundation did hide a little bit of it already actually. With my beauty blender, I'm gonna, actually I like using my hands first. If you can see, I don't put so much in there because that's where I get lines. I'm concentrating it here where my dark circles are rather than there where my wrinkles are, if you know what I mean. Okay, so we're just gonna set that with a powder. So I'm gonna use this translucent powder by Laura Mercier, and I'm just gonna tap it where I don't want shine, which is here under my eyes. No shine there on the side of my nose, but the rest I want it shiny. Well, want it glowy. I'm not gonna put a cream contour. I'm just gonna go straight ahead with powder contour. So I'm using Hoola by Benefit 109 brush by MAC. Contour my face, and I'm concentrating it here up, and then the rest, pulling the rest down. Concentrating it here near the top of my ears, and then pull the rest down. So this should set the foundation as well. So as you can see, I'm just tapping it. I'm not rubbing it so much. The face is looking good. And then of course my nose. You cannot forget my nose. You cannot forget our nose. Contour our nose. So okay, for the blush first, let's use this one, Worldly Wealth by MAC. And then for the highlighter, I'm using this one by Chanel. I am using the Le Lion de Chanel. This is their highlighting powder. It has a brush. Let's try the brush. It's the first time I'm using this. It looks like this. So let's try it. Very nice. Well, it's Chanel. It should be nice, right? It's nice. I love it. Where else should we highlight? Like highlighting everywhere. Here. Yeah, here. 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 There. And here. Eyes. Let's go to the eyes. So I'm gonna go close. So I'm just gonna prime my eyes. So this one is by Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm gonna use the this palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is by Mario. Look at those gorgeous browns. Perfect for a morena like me. Okay. Looks so tan. So I'm just gonna put Isabel on my crease. And then concentrating most of the product here outside. Whatever's left on the brush, I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. With the flat brush, I'm gonna use this color right here, Fifth Avenue, and put it on my lid. And then I'm gonna take this color right here, Paris, and put it on the outer corner of my eyes. Concentrate it there. I'm just gonna go again with Isabel and blend it here. Then with a small brush, I'm just gonna take that Paris and put it near my lash line. Then I'm taking this tattoo liner by Kat Von D and I'm gonna create a cat eyes. Lining. Then I'm just gonna curl my lashes. For the eyebrows, I'm using this one by Sunny's Face. This one is in warm brown. And I'm just gonna start filling my brows. I'm making it a little bit thicker. There, yeah. So I'm changing the shape of my eyebrows a little bit. Okay, the eyebrows are done, but I'm just gonna set that with this one, Sunny's Face as well. This is their Life Brow Grooming Gel in warm brown also. Okay, now, so that's done. Let's put some eyelashes to complete the look, and then lips. Okay, so I put the lashes on, spidery lashes. So I put on my lashes. I'm gonna put mascara under my eyes, but I'm gonna make it long. So we really have a spidery eyes, a spidery big eyes. So to make it long, I'm using this False Lashes Maximizer.
왠지 오늘따라 더 달콤해 보여 너의 향기가 내 마음을 자극해 오네.
Yep, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoy that, and I hope that you guys like this look. Try to recreate them and show it to me. Tag me, I want to see them. If you like this look, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more makeup tutorials. So that's it for now. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now. Keep smiling.